Look at Instagram right now, and you'll see these AI videos everywhere. They're getting millions of views, building huge audiences, and some creators are turning them into entire shorts channels. And when you look closely, a lot of these viral AI videos actually fall into a few repeatable formats. Shape transformations, POV fantasy experiences, miniature vehicles, anime daily life, and AI UGC ads. These aren't just cool AI experiments, they're highly visual formats built to grab attention, keep people watching, and potentially turn views into a real audience, and eventually, income. And the best part? You can create these videos yourself with AI, without expensive cameras, actors, or studios, and potentially monetize the audience you build. So today, I'm showing you 5 AI video niches with serious viral potential, plus the simple tools you can use to create them. Let's get into it.
Welcome back to Software for Creators, a channel where we help you create content better, faster, and smarter. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe.
First, shape transformations. Start with something as simple as a cube, ball, or any basic shape, and slowly transform it into something completely unexpected. It could become an object, a vehicle, a character, a creature, a place, or almost anything you can imagine. That's what makes this format so addictive. The viewer keeps watching to find out, what is this going to become? You can also make the transformation smooth and satisfying with endless combinations and possibilities. How to create it? First, tell ChatGPT exactly what you want to transform. For example, create a detailed AI video prompt of a mechanical cube smoothly transforming into Christ the Redeemer, showing the transformation clearly from start to finish. Copy the prompt, open Google Flow, choose the vertical format in your video model, then generate. Next, POV Fantasy experiences. Instead of just watching the action, the viewer feels like they are inside the scene. You could show someone riding a giant beast, flying on a dragon, a boxing match, a high-octane action scene, exploring an alien world, or experiencing something that would be impossible in real life. The goal is simple: make the viewer feel like they're actually there. And because you can create completely different experiences every time, the possibilities are almost endless. How to create it? First, tell ChatGPT exactly what experience you want, including the action, camera angle, movement, and environment. For this, we will create a man riding a dragon. Then copy the generated prompt into Google Flow, choose vertical format, and generate the video. You can use the same approach for boxing, creature rides, flying, battles, exploration, and other impossible POV experiences. Third, miniature vehicle videos. Imagine tiny cars, bikes, or supercars being repaired, assembled, restored, or upgraded piece by piece. The camera shows a miniature vehicle on a workbench while a realistic human hand uses tiny mechanical tools to grab, fit, tighten, and assemble the parts. You can create repairs, restorations, custom builds, unboxings, or complete vehicle transformations. And because the process is so visual and satisfying, you can often tell the entire story without voiceover. How to create it? Tell ChatGPT what vehicle and assembly process you want. For example, this prompt here. Then copy the prompt into Google Flow and generate the clips. Keep the cuts quick and focused on the satisfying mechanical details. And fourth, anime daily life videos. Here, you create an anime character doing simple everyday activities like cooking, making coffee, studying, cleaning, eating, or working. The camera stays in the same fixed position, making it feel like the character placed a phone in one spot and is recording their daily life. This is a simple, relatable format with endless possibilities for different characters and activities. How to create it? For this one, first use ChatGPT to create a detailed video prompt. Tell ChatGPT what the characters should be doing and mention the anime style, fixed camera position, and the type of lifestyle scene you want. You can see the prompt I'm using on screen right now. Then simply copy the prompt, paste it into Google Flow, choose your settings, check the aspect ratio and other options, and hit generate. And fifth, AI UGC ads. You can use AI but realistic characters to showcase products, create testimonials, unboxings, demos, or simple problem-to-solution videos. You can even recreate viral ads or feature popular products and turn them into engaging short-form content. If the content performs well, it could attract brands and collaboration opportunities. And you can also use the same videos for affiliate marketing. So this niche can combine views, engagement, brand deals, and affiliate income. How to create it? For this one, use TikTok Symphony. Go to Symphony, log in with your TikTok account, and open the chatbot. Select the AI agent. Upload your product image and describe what you want the video to show. You can mention the product, target audience, type of character, hook, testimonial, before and after concept, or any other details you want. Then check the available settings, choose the style and video options, and hit generate.
I just felt so stuck with my slow metabolism. I felt like nothing was working. Then I found out I could just add this to my morning coffee routine. It's just one easy step. And honestly, I started to feel so much better. The difference is, wow, I'm finally feeling like myself again.
You can also use the Recreate Viral Ads feature. Go to the Trending Ads section, choose an ad you like, select Recreate, add your own product, adjust the details if needed, and generate your version. So you can either create a UGC ad from scratch or take inspiration from a proven ad format and recreate it for your product.
Hey Leute, heute eskaliert der Heuschnupfen komplett. Kein Problem.
Neu Nasalegra Heuschnupfenspray. Die 2-in-1 Wirkstoffkombi mit überlegener Wirksamkeit. Jetzt probieren. Zu Risiken und Nebenwirkungen fragen Sie Ihren Arzt, Ihre Ärztin oder in Ihrer Apotheke.
So, these are the 5 AI video niches you can start experimenting with. 1. Shape transformations. 2. POV fantasy experiences. 3. Miniature vehicle videos. 4. Animate daily life videos. And 5. AI UGC ads. You don't need to try everything at once. Pick one format, create consistently, and focus on making each video more engaging and visually interesting than the last. Because AI is just the tool. The real opportunity is finding a format people actually want to watch and turning it into a repeatable content channel. And with tools like Flow and TikTok Symphony, creating these videos is becoming much easier. So pick your niche, start creating, and see what you can turn into your next viral channel.
Thanks for watching. If this video helped you even a little, hit like, subscribe, and comment what tool you want me to test next.